The alt text on your Amazon listing are a huge thing. It can make your SEO incredibly strong and could lead to double or triple your profit. But many sellers don't have much idea about it. And there are also some right way and the wrong way to use alt text in your listing. If you can effectively use it, you also can multiply your numbers. So, fixing your alt text can make a big difference. Alt text is the hidden text in images that helps Amazon understand your product. You can put 100 characters here. Right now, you did only about 15 characters. 85% of your alt text field is empty. That means you are missing out on extra traffic and sales. Your alt text should be a long sentence describing the image, but don't just say it's your brand story. We obviously know that it's your brand story. And shopper even don't see what you are writing here. Writing things like it's my brand, it's my logo, or it's my product, it's not going to help. You need to put keywords here. These keywords actually helps you to the SEO indexing. Use tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout for the keyword research. Usually you put those keywords in your title and bullet points. Now you have more options. Image alt text from A+ content and brand story will give you a huge extra field to utilize more keywords that you missed out on your title or bullet points. Adding alt text from backend in A+ content. If you have a brand registry, you can use A+ content to upload images with alt text. Go to A+ content manager in Seller Central, upload an image in an A+ module. There will be an image keyword field. These act as the alt text for indexing and relevant keyword-rich description of the images. Here, add relevant keyword-rich descriptions of the image. You also can do the same for the brand story, implementing alt text. Instead of just writing your brand name, try to describe the story of that image. Include additional features and benefits that is missing from the listing. Try various A+ content modules to unlock more opportunities. Premium A+ content will be more effective than the basic. You should use strategic approaches to maximize the traffic. Alt text helps your product shows up in Amazon search results. The more keywords in your alt text, the more people can find your product. Spanish is the second most spoken language in the USA, but your alt text has no Spanish word. Adding some Spanish words can help you reach more customers. Common spelling mistakes are also helpful. Some customers type wrong spellings in their searches. Adding those wrong spelled words can help to bring more traffic. You should never put wrong spellings in your product title, but it's helpful in alt text. Your A+ content and the brand story basically are some images. Amazon systems cannot read those images. It can read text but not word inside pictures. And shoppers also don't like to read too many text. The solution? Add important information as alt text so Amazon can understand and rank your product better. This way, you can keep your brand story clean from unnecessary text. Avoid mistakes. Don't use commas in your alt text. It should be a long sentence. You are allowed to put 100 characters. Avoid keyword stuffing or repetition. Write the important keywords that you have missed out on bullet points. How to improve alt text or image keywords. Here, instead of just writing water bottle, write something like colorful water bottles in different sizes, all with maximum insulation. For this image, don't write backpack, bottle, hiking gear, adventure. It lacks clarity. Instead, write water bottle on backpack, ideal for hiking and outdoor adventures. Include relevant keywords, but naturally. Think about the words your customer would use to search for the product and use them in context. How it will help. Number 1, you are getting more opportunities for keyword integration. Number 2, it will improve product discoverability, which means more traffic. Number 3, it allows you to increase the SEO ranking without keyword stuffing. You can keep your title and bullet points clean from some unwanted keywords. And lastly, you can put Spanish words or even wrongly spelled words to enhance the SEO potential. Alt text is a simple but powerful way to optimize your Amazon listing, but utilizing it correctly is the key. Thoughtful and keyword-rich alt text can significantly boost your SEO, improve visibility, and enhance the customer experience. So don't miss the opportunity to make your numbers double. Fix your alt text right now. If you need any help with your online business, you can contact us. Send an email to info@ecomtips.com. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.